As an engineer co-pilot, we always do regular check-up according to checklist before flight release. One of the important part is autopilot.
Get that back on track in a minute. Alright, I'll do that. Okay. That's good. Just connect the autopilot.
Aircraft data bus systems allow a wide variety of avionics equipment to communicate with one another and exchange data. Bus systems can be either bidirectional or unidirectional, and they can also be serial or parallel bits of data. As an aeronautical engineer co-pilot, you are required to investigate and solve the issue with the autopilot director computers as shown in figure given. This autopilot director system has been designed using field programmable gate array FPGA-based technology, and in normal situation, the word HEL will be displayed once the main system is being switched on. However, based on the report and schematic diagram provided by aircraft maintenance engineer as shown in figure given, the word HEL has not been displayed, it's just a blank computer's screen. Your mission consists of 1. Identify what are the problems with the schematic illustrated in figure. 2. How to solve these problems. 3. Simulate and implement your proposed solution using all Terrafortis software and be to board. To implement with 7-segment display, then assignments for both input and output are listed in table given. As a group of 3, you need to solve this problem. You are required to prepare a technical poster and a presentation video to explain the problem.
Okay, greetings guys. Okay, now we are here to observe the circuit that is given to us based on the manual. So this is the layout of the circuit that has been formed. Okay, as you can see, the circuit that is given to us, there are certain issues and errors that has to be identified and solved. And at the same time, we have to understand the problem and the situation that is given to us. Okay, and this is the diagram as I said earlier. So we start by looking at processing. We compile the block diagram to see the output in which part of the 7-segment display has a problem or which is not properly matched in the circuit. So waiting for it to analyze. 51%, 54, 97 is about to complete. Okay, 45 warnings. Warnings has no issues except for errors that has to be avoided. So once you have compiled, click on Tools, Programmer. Okay, in this step it helps us to execute the display on FPGA board for us to observe which part of the FPGA 7-segment display has an error. Okay, as you can see, the board shows not a proper display of hello, so we have to solve that problem. Okay, back here again. Previously, as I said earlier, there was an error on the block diagram, which is we identified there was an extra NOT gate over here which is not necessary. And also at the pins, there are certain pins that has to be turned to 01 configuration, so we have to adjust that as well. And based on our discussion overnight, so we have realized that that was the problem faced by us when we have tried to figure out where was the mistake and the issues faced. So yeah, we have finally solved the problem. So once we have obtained the proper block diagram, once again processing, compile. Okay, zone process to complete. Okay, warnings, just ignore. Okay, go to Tools, click on Programmer. Okay, finally we have managed to obtain the word hello on the board. So this shows as a success, we have managed to complete the task. Overall, we can conclude that our mission had been successfully completed. Outcome gained from this assignment is that we managed to study the usage of FPGA board with collaboration of Altera Cortex 2 software. We also learned few other social skills, such as in team management by dividing tasks equally to complete the full assignment, and also computer skills by learning and also study the usage of Camtasia Studio software in producing a good video presentation.